Welcome to Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of tech. Today, we're talking about something many Apple fans have been waiting for: the next generation Apple TV 2025. Apple's TV lineup doesn't get refreshed as often as its iPhones or Macs, but this year might change that. The upcoming Apple TV, expected in 2025, is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades the product has seen in years. And if the latest reports are accurate, this might finally be the version that turns the Apple TV into a true smart home hub and entertainment powerhouse. So, let's talk about everything we know: the expected release date, new features, design changes, and upgrades that could make this the best streaming box Apple has ever made. The current Apple TV 4K, powered by the A15 Bionic chip, launched back in 2022. Since then, Apple has been relatively quiet about its home entertainment devices. But according to reliable sources from within the supply chain, the next generation Apple TV is expected to arrive in late 2025, possibly during Apple's fall event. That would mean a release window around October or November 2025, which lines up with Apple's usual product cycle for home devices. It's been 3 years since the last major refresh, so the timing makes perfect sense. Now, let's get into what's changing, and it's a lot more than people expect. The most exciting upgrade will likely be the new Apple-designed chip, which is expected to be the A17 or M2-based processor, depending on the final configuration Apple chooses. This would be a huge jump from the A15 chip, bringing faster performance, improved graphics, and much better power efficiency. This new processor will make everything smoother, from launching apps and streaming 4K HDR content to handling more advanced gaming experiences through Apple Arcade. In fact, the Apple TV 2025 might be the first one to truly handle console-quality games natively, thanks to its upgraded GPU and new cooling design. That brings us to design. The 2025 Apple TV might finally get a small redesign. It's rumored to be slimmer, more compact, and slightly wider, with better ventilation. Apple could also introduce a new matte finish to reduce fingerprints and smudges, giving it a cleaner, more modern look. But there's more. Apple has reportedly been testing prototypes with built-in cameras and microphones. This would allow users to make FaceTime calls directly from their Apple TV, similar to what's already possible on iPads and Macs. Imagine sitting on your couch and video calling your friends or family on the big screen. Apple could pair this feature with its existing continuity camera system, meaning even if the Apple TV doesn't have a built-in camera, it could automatically connect to your iPhone or iPad to use their camera wirelessly. That would make video calls on your TV simple and seamless. Now, one of the biggest changes might come in how Apple integrates AI and smart home features. The Apple TV 2025 is expected to be tightly connected with Apple Intelligence, the company's new on-device AI platform. This could allow your Apple TV to recognize voice commands more naturally, adjust recommendations based on your preferences, and even manage smart home devices more intelligently. For example, you could say, "Siri, start movie night," and your Apple TV could automatically dim your HomeKit lights, close your smart blinds, and play your favorite movie in Dolby Vision. This level of integration would take Apple's smart home ecosystem to a whole new level. Speaking of Siri, Apple might also update its Siri remote once again. Reports suggest a redesigned remote with Find My integration, so if you lose it between the couch cushions, you can easily locate it with your iPhone. The new remote might also feature a small touch-sensitive area with haptic feedback and better gesture controls. Another exciting rumor is that Apple could introduce Wi-Fi 7 support in the new Apple TV. This would bring faster and more stable streaming, especially for 4K and 8K content. Yes, you heard that right, 8K. Apple is reportedly preparing the new Apple TV for 8K video playback. While most streaming services don't offer 8K content yet, Apple wants the hardware ready for when that content becomes mainstream. The addition of Wi-Fi 7 also means lower latency for gaming and better connectivity for multiple smart devices at once. Now, let's talk about display and audio improvements. The new Apple TV 2025 is expected to fully support HDR10+, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos. This means movies and shows will look and sound better than ever, with adaptive brightness and more dynamic contrast control depending on your TV's environment. And with the M series or A17 chip, Apple could introduce AI-based video upscaling, a feature that uses machine learning to improve the clarity and detail of lower-resolution content. So even if you're watching older shows, they'll look sharper and more lifelike on your 4K or 8K TV. Another area where Apple might push the experience forward is gaming. With the M5 or A17 power under the hood, Apple could expand Apple Arcade with higher-end titles, better controller support, and even smoother frame rates up to 120 Hz. There are also whispers that Apple might introduce Bluetooth 6 for improved latency and wireless performance with game controllers and AirPods. Storage is expected to increase too. The base model might start at 128 GB, compared to the current 64 GB, and go up to 512 GB. That means more room for games, apps, and offline content. Apple may also improve the tvOS interface. The new version, likely tvOS 19, could bring a more personalized home screen powered by AI. It might highlight the shows you're most likely to watch, auto-resume where you left off, and even adjust recommendations based on your habits or time of day. There's also talk that Apple might introduce multi-user support for profiles, something fans have been requesting for years. This would let every family member have their own recommendations, watch history, and app layout. In terms of pricing, Apple is expected to keep it competitive. The base model might start at $149 for the Wi-Fi version and around $199 for the higher-end 8K-ready model with more storage. But Apple may also be preparing something completely new: an Apple TV soundbar. According to recent reports, Apple has been developing a hybrid device that combines the power of an Apple TV with high-quality built-in speakers and a front-facing camera. This would transform your TV setup into a single Apple-branded entertainment hub, capable of streaming, calling, and controlling your smart home all at once. If that happens, it could be one of the most exciting new Apple products of 2025. Apple's focus on sustainability will also continue with the new Apple TV. Expect a fully recyclable aluminum frame, reduced packaging, and more energy-efficient components. The company is pushing hard toward its goal of making every product carbon neutral by 2030, and the Apple TV 2025 will be no exception. In short, the upcoming Apple TV 2025 looks like much more than just a streaming box. It's shaping up to be the heart of Apple's smart home ecosystem, a hub for entertainment, communication, and AI-driven convenience. With faster performance, 8K support, smarter Siri controls, and seamless integration with Apple devices, this might finally be the upgrade that makes the Apple TV feel truly next-gen. So, if you've been holding off on upgrading your Apple TV, this could be the perfect time to wait. Because if the leaks and reports are accurate, the Apple TV 2025 could be Apple's smartest and most powerful home device yet. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more deep dives into the future of technology.